Today we're looking at 2007 Peterbilt 357, stock number 076617. It's got an ISM Cummins in it at 385 horsepower. It's got an Eaton Fuller RTO 1698 LL transmission. It's got power steering, air brakes, air conditioning, cruise control, AM FM radio, CD, mirror heat, block heater, tilt wheel, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, engine brake, differential lock, power divider. It's got one 100-gallon aluminum fuel tank located on the passenger side. Tires in the front are 425 65R 22.5 on aluminum rims. They have 75% tread. And in the rear, we have 11R 22.5s on aluminum rims and 50% tread. It's got 4-bag air ride suspension, and the rear ratio is 4.56. Mounted on this truck, we have a 2007 Almac 4,400-gallon 4-compartment aluminum tank. Compartment sizes are 700, 1,000, 2,000, and 700. DOT spec is 406. It's a double bulkhead. And on the bottom here we have two 2.5-inch Blackmer pumps. In the back we have two 2-inch LC meters and registers with auto stop and ticket printers. We have two Hannay electric hose reels with around 120 feet of 1 1/4-inch hose and Dixon nozzles. We have two 2-inch outlets on each meter. We have 4 6-inch Civacon load heads with handles. As you can see here, we have a vapor recovery tube in the back. This system has the Scully Intelli 2 Overfill protection system. We have 2 jumper hoses with dry brakes. One here, and the other one's located here. It's air operated internal valves with your controls here. With a ground strap reel in the rear compartment, and we have the hose tube on the passenger side, and we have one also on the driver's side. Also on the driver's side we have an aluminum toolbox. If you have any questions about this 2007 Peterbilt 357, stock number 076617, please give us a call at 865-524-5678 or check out our website at petroleumtrucks.net.